Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode and another video on my YouTube channel, and I decided to show you guys how I'll remove the front bumper on 2021 Toyota Corolla SE model. So here is the car, and next what I'm going to take is all the clips on top, the cover. I'll disconnect the fender liner from the bumper as well. I already took the lower engine cover under the car, and now as well here on the left side, driver's side, and then you can easily remove the bumper. Put the key in the ignition for you in order to be able to turn the wheels when you take the fender liner out, to turn the wheel that way, so you have access to all the screws from here. So now once we got the cover out, you can see what needs to be removed to remove the bumper. So we have one screw here, we have second screw here, and we have the third screw right here. So here we don't have any screws, and we can literally take the bumper out. Bam! See? So it literally start moving. That means we can take so we got these clips out. You have just to move here, I think. Clips out right here. You take it you move this out, and then it comes out from the bumper, as you see right here. And when you put it back, you just push it in back. So we got this out. It doesn't have any screws. You just pull it really, not really too hard, but you still have to pull it, like to put pressure on it. And then now you see the bumper how it wants to come out, but it holds couple screws, so I'm going to leave them on it. I'll do the same thing other side, and the bumper comes out. Also guys, don't forget to take the connector out from the fog lights right here. So we do the same thing on the right side. So we did the same thing here. We did take the connector out, it's right there, you see. Bumper come out, so we don't now some of the models have the drive assist, which is right here. Don't forget to take the connector out. Before doing all this thing, you don't want the sensor come out on your dashboard as a as a code, so fail. So disconnect the battery from the car, and then right now I'm going just to take all the screws out. Boom, boom, and boom. So as you see, it has some clips here. It doesn't allow you to move the bumper, but right here also has something that it holds. So to take the bumper out, you have to pull a little bit under the light, the headlight. We do as well right here. Let me put the camera on. So do the same thing here. That's it. And then bumper out. Here we go. Why I'm taking the bumper out? Because I need to replace the headlights. As you see, it has water inside of the headlights. So that's why I'm doing the that's why I removed the front bumper. Alright guys, that was the video about how to remove the front bumper on a 2021 Toyota Corolla SE model. Here is the car and here is the bumper. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video, any comment below, because I'm always making cool and new videos for you guys that helps to fix your car's home. And that was Mechanic Mode. See you next time.